Frosty the snowman, what a very happy soul, with a cone pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snow. Oh, hi, Hocus. Oh, it's Hocus the Bunny. Hi. Oh, hi guys. It's Soleil here, and this is Frosty the snowman. Frosty, say hi. Happy birthday. And what's hi? He said, what's hi? He doesn't know anything. I mean, he is a snowman, so he doesn't have to know anything. But maybe he'll learn next time. What should we? Oh, we have a special delivery. Delivered by Santa Claus and his friend, Gingerbread Man. This is a cute gingerbread house. So, do you guys like gingerbread? Then you have to eat the like button. Hang on, let me eat it. Okay, there. And here's the subscribe button. There. I need to put snow on it. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's opened, and whoa, they even have sprinkles and gingerbread house. So let's eat. Okay, so we have all the ingredients we need, even decoration bag. Then you should decorate it like it does on the. If you don't have the box at home, then pause the video and take a screenshot. Okay, good job guys. But now, let's cut it out. This is gonna take a while, but now we'll do fast forward. Go! Okay, we got them open, and it's just powdered sugar, and that one is sugar sprinkled, and that actually smells like cookie. So we have here 2 side walls. It looks like a house with windows on it. Like, wow, hi. That's so cute. And now, right. We have this instead, in case if we don't make arms around here. Now we have now we need the roof, and we have here decorating bag, and we know we have powdered sugar, and let's just call it a snowflake. And we have decorating bag that I didn't show you guys yet. And I don't know what these are. Let me check. Oh, those are the roofs. There's 2 of them though. It looks like an ice cream sandwich. Are you going to finish the ice cream sandwich? Are you going to finish them all? And what are these small things? Oh, wait, it's for the chimney. So cute. Oh, well, there's even a bigger one. That's the ground. That's the ground we need. Okay, guys, so this is how we make the icing. Now, instead of using raw eggs, because you don't want this to be raw, you don't want the icing to be raw. So instead, we use water and powdered sugar together. But right now, it's time to cut it. Before we start decorating and put the gingerbread house together, let's cut it out, just like a little bit. So first step that you need to do is pick any patterns you want. You want like the house with window and door, or the roof, or the walls or something. But you may use can do anything you want with it. But right now, let's show. Perfect match. It's a perfect match, and it also has to be crusty on the inside part. By the way, guys, this actually is the blade. And right there is Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Have a very shiny nose. We have a tiny icing. A tiny icing. That's so silly. Okay guys, so this is my gingerbread house. You may check the tour plate if you want it. You may check on the other side. And those is slate with reindeers. And on front is, you know who, Rudolph. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Oh, wait. There's even the chimney on top. Let's go down the chimney. And say hi to Frosty the Snowman. I try to make the nose longer, but it doesn't work so well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. What a perfect gingerbread house with a perfect smell. Yeah, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. Have a very shiny nose. Oh, you're too silly. There's even your picture there too. Even the snows are falling from the sky. I need to go down the chimney. Okay, give me a minute. Because I need to deliver the presents. And I need to take a bite. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure you keep this gingerbread house a big like and subscribe. You can even make any type of gingerbread, like gingerbread train, gingerbread present, or even anything else. I hope you guys have a nice holiday, including New Year's. Yeah. And I hope you liked this video so much. Oh, I forgot to tell you the hint in a few videos. There's a hint for my new design. It's something that you always like to do. Do you get the hint? Well, don't forget that until 2 days, it's my birthday. Make sure you like and subscribe. And wish you all a Happy New Year! Bye!